friend. Welcome to Reena's classes Maths with Fun. So today we are going to learn some techniques while finding out LCM, because whenever I give fraction sums to my kids, they get very irritated. Why? Because they have to, every time they have to find out the LCM of the denominators given. So they say, no ma'am, I don't want to do these sums because every time finding out LCM is too tedious and we get very bored of finding out the LCM that way. So I thought of coming out with some plans where you can learn the finding out LCM thing without actual method. I mean, by seeing the numbers, you can find out what will be the LCM of those two numbers given or those three numbers given. Okay, so are you all excited to see the thing? So let's begin. Okay, so let me tell you, few sums are very easy, so you don't have to put much effort there. Like the first question is, you have to find out the LCM of 2 and 4. While finding out the LCM, always go to bigger number first. Okay, see, the bigger number among 2 and 4 is 4. So go to bigger number and see this bigger number is divisible by the other number or not. Yes, 2 2s are 4, it is divisible. So your LCM will be 4 here. Okay, you don't have to do, actually you don't have to do this 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, then 2, then 2 1s are 2, then 2 into 2 4. You don't have to do all those steps. Just go to the bigger number, see that number is divisible by the other number or not. If it is divisible, then your LCM is that bigger number. Okay, so this, in the same way, can you now tell me without actually doing the LCM, what will be the LCM of 4 and 8? Yes, very good. Go to 8, okay? Go to 8 and see this number is divisible by 4 or not. 4 2s are 8. Yes, it is divisible. So directly you can say your LCM is 8 here. Okay, let's move on to the third sum, which is 4 and 6. So here you have to find it out, the LCM of 4 and 6. Go to the bigger number 6 here. Now see whether this 6 is divisible by 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. No, it is not divisible. So then in that case, what will you do? So there what you can do is go to the next multiple of 6, okay, which is 6 2s are 12. Okay, now you check whether this 12 is divisible by 4 or not. Okay, 4 3s are 12. Yes, 12 is divisible by 4 now. So now your LCM will be that second multiple, which is 12. So we will not take 6, we will take 12 here. 6 2s are 12, the next multiple, because this 12 is divisible by 4. Isn't it easy and interesting too? Okay, so now let's move on to 4, 8 and 12. Okay, so even if you have been given 3 numbers, you have to do the same thing. Go to the bigger number. Okay, so we have gone to 12. Now we will see this 12 is divisible by 4 and 8 or not. It has to be divisible by both the numbers given. Okay, so 4 3s are 12. Yes, so 4 3s are 12. This number is divisible by 4. Now we have to see whether this is divisible by 8 or not. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Oh, that's not divisible. So what should I do? Correct. We should go to the next multiple, which is 12 2s are 24. Now see whether this 24 is divisible by this or not. Okay. So 4 6s are 24, 8 3s are 24. Yes, it is divisible. So your LCM is 24. See, this needs practice. It's not like once I have taught you this and you are done. Now you can do. It's not like that. Keep practicing this method. When you see 2 numbers or 3 numbers, go to the bigger number. See that number is divisible by the other 2 numbers or not. If not, don't worry. Go to the next multiple. If that is not also not divisible, go to the third multiple. Just do everything in your mind quickly. You don't, but once you'll get practice to this, then you won't, you will not take that much of time to find it out. Okay, so here LCM is 24. Okay, now next, so 2 4 8, bigger number is 8. Check whether this number is divisible by this or not. 2 4s are 8, 4 2s are 8. Yeah, it was very simple. So just write LCM is equal to 8. Okay, now come to 5 8 10. Now I want that this sum you should try on your own. Just try, pause the video and try whether you can find out the LCM or not by this method, not by the usual method. Okay, so okay, I am telling you this is 10. Okay, now see whether this 10 is divisible by 5 or 8 or not. No, it's not divisible. Go to the next multiple. 10 2s are 20. This is divisible by 5 but not by 8. So go to the next. 10 threes are 30. Again this is divisible by 5 but not by 8. Go to the next. 10 fours are 40. 5 eights are 40. 8 fives are 40. This number is divisible by both 5 and 8. So you can write the LCM is equal to 40 here. See, it's not just easy, it's interesting too. You don't have to do that. 10 ones are 10. Okay, you know that it won't come. 10 twos are 20. You know that it won't come in 8 table. 10 threes are 30. 10 fours are 40. Yes, it will come. So you can easily say that LCM is equal to 40 here. Now let's come to the last question. Can be bit difficult but not that much. Okay, so let's go to this. Go to the bigger number. See, it is divisible by 8 and 12 or not. No, not at all. Go to the next. 12, 20 to the 40. So this is divisible but this is not. Go to the next. 23s are 60. Now this is divisible by 12 but not by 8. So 24s are 80. Again, it is not divisible by both the number. 8 tens are 80 but it will not come in 12 table. So go to the next. 25s are 100. 100 will again not be divisible by both. So let's go to 120. 26 are 120. Now this number is divisible by both 8 and 12. 12 tens are 120 and then 8 ones are 8. 8 fives are, so 8 into 15 is 120. So now 120 is divisible by both the numbers. So you can say that your LCM is 120 here. Okay. So I will not say that this is very easy and you can just once you have seen now and then you can do it. You have to practice it well at home and then I am very sure that you will be able to do it. Now again, if you feel that you want to learn more in this, please write down in the comment box that you want to learn more and then maybe I'll make one more video on this and then everything will be clear. But again I will say that if you practice this at home, it won't be difficult for you and you will start enjoying it. You will say that I want to do more of LCM sums. It's like that. So that's it. I'll come with another interesting topic in my next video. Until then, bye bye for now.